Hello guys, so nasa Nankay Station na tayo. Nankay Namba Station. And this is the station kung saan kayo makakasakay ng Rapid Express train going to Kansai Airport. So yun. So nakarating ako dito. So I just rode Midosoji line going to Namba Station. And then may connection naman na papunta sa Nankay line. So madali lang yung biyahe ko. So yun. So yan guys, nakabili na ako ng ticket for Rapid Express 10:35. So mga 11 na sa Kansai Airport na tayo. Ito lang siya. Cost niya ay 1,350 yen. Pero you can buy in Klook and put the link na lang. So yan yung Rapid Express to Kansai Airport. Nililinis muna nila yung bago papasok yung next passengers. Kaya iniikot nila. Ito yung loob niya. Seat 39. Seat 39. Ang travel time natin guys is around 30 minutes. So mabilis lang din naman yung biyahe from Namba Station to Kansai Airport. So guys, we are now crossing the Osaka Bay and malapit na tayo sa Kansai Airport. So ang Kansai Airport ay na-build siya last 1994 and bundling to. So ginawa lang itong isla na to para sa airport. Then dalawa lang yung terminal dito, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. So mostly ang international flight ay nasa Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 is mostly mga low-cost airlines ang nilagay doon. So there are many ways kung paano ka makakarating dito is through train. You can have Nankai line or JR line. Meron din by bus. So sa Kansai Airport na tayo guys. Yan, 13 minutes lang yung biyahe. And local train naman to, Airport Express. Then So, ito guys, yung Kansai Airport Station. So, there are 2 lines na pwede magdala sa inyo sa Osaka pag dito kayo Nankai Line and JR Line. So, depende kung saan kayo nakatira or accommodation nyo. So, si Nankai, yan, papunta yan ng Namba, yung terminus niya. Hindi kayo nakatira or yung accommodation nyo. JR Line, may diretso yan papuntang Kyoto, Shin Osaka, Wakayama. Yan. Yun yun. Haruka. Yung diretso ng Kyoto. Hello Kitty. So, from here to Kansai to Kyoto, 75 minutes lang. So, mga 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ito yung Nankai Line. Ito naman yung sa JR Lines. JR Line. So, ito yung sa Nankai Line. Ito yung sa JR Line. Terminal 1 ang Philippine Airlines. PR-T11 NH531. Check-in letter H. May partnership sila sa ano. Sa baba may limousine, airport limousine. May viewing deck sila dito. Puntahan natin yan after check-in. Skyview. So, sa Kansai, ang international departure sa 4th floor. 3rd floor, paid waiting room. 2nd floor, domestic departures. 1st floor, arrival section. Fourth floor. Ibang kulay ito. Fuchsia. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulay. Check-in counter natin, letter H.
May I have your attention please? Air-Busan, flight 125, Busan is not ready for exit. Passenger on this flight, please proceed to second counter and air on the top floor. Thank you.
dami. Sa second floor, yung sa domestic departures. Nandun yung mga kainan sa Kansai Airport. Sa international section, wala eh. So, nandito talaga sa second floor. Genki Shoten Senshuhiran. Lunch muna kasi 12:45 yung check-in, mag-open yung check-in. Kobe lambot. Thank you. So, pagkatapos ng immigration, duty-free section. So guys, dito din tayo bibili ng Royce chocolate. Kasi mas mura ang Royce dito sa Japan kaysa dun sa atin. So, hanapin ko siya kung saan tayo makakabili. Kung bibili ka ng sweets dito sa Kansai Airport, may self-order machine. When you're going to pay in the cashier, then hintay mo lang tawagin ko dito sa pick-up number o pick-up section. So very organized. So guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa airport lounge. So one of the lounges here in Kansai Airport. So I will give more details about this lounge in my next vlog, which is about my trip report. So dito ko natatapusin yung Osaka vlog ko, and thank you sa pagsama sa Japan Summer Edition, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So guys, see you in my next vlog and see you in my next adventure.